Today you're going to put your legs up on a chair or a couch or sofa. You want your back completely flat and put a small pillow or a rolled up towel underneath your neck, and we're going to roll at the shoulders and have them hang all the way back. Now, pro tip, if your hands can't touch the floor in this position, you could hold like a water bottle on each hand or a 1 pound, 2 pound weight to give a little bit of leverage. We're going to focus on breathing through the ribs. We're going to breathe in through the nose, exhale out, and focus on every exhale on pushing your diaphragm in, ribs down. And we're going to hang out here for a little bit, focusing on your breathing. In this position, you should feel every vertebrae touching the ground. Nice big breath in and exhale, pushing the ribs down towards the floor. And we're going to work on our breathing in this position. This stretch is great if you work at a desk or if your shoulders are always in a forward position. Kind of helps reset your posture and helps with shoulder mobility. You could reach your arms further up if you can, as long as your hands are still making contact with the floor. Continue on breathing in and exhaling. On every exhale, pushing the rib cage down towards the floor. Make sure you do not have any arch in your lower back. All of your vertebrae should be making contact with the ground. Very good. We're going to hang out here for a few more seconds, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and big breath in, exhale, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to take our time by rolling to the side to get out, and we're going to our next stretch, which you're going to put right above your wrist onto the bench, and we're going to sink into our hips. We have modifier at the top. You could be in a standing position if you need to. But the goal here is to slowly focus on your chest getting closer to the ground, arms fully extended. Continue on working your breathing. Now, if you're doing this in a seated position, you want to sink into your heels, letting your chest slowly fall to the ground. Try not to droop your head too much, guys. You just want to focus on that chest coming closer to the ground. Very good. We're going to rise up. We're going to go into a few neck stretches. One hand behind the back, side of the head, and gently draw your ear to your shoulder. Very good. We're going to switch sides. Other hand behind the back, hand on the side of the head. Pull the ear towards the shoulder. With the neck, you don't have to put a ton of pressure. Gently stretch, okay? Don't tug on your head too hard. Very good. We're going to go chin to shoulder. Again, a little bit of assistance with your hand. Don't pull your head too hard. And hand on the other side of your chin and pull across. Very nice. Hands behind the head. We're going to pull the chin down the chest and give a little bit of an upward pull on the back of your head. Very good. And we're going to release, and we're going to go chin to sky, gently assisting yourself right underneath your jawline, tilting your head up as high as you can. Back to center, drop the chin down with no assistance, and we're going to roll our head side to side. Either direction, doesn't matter. You just want to go nice and slow, kind of loosen up the head. You don't have to do any full circles. We're just kind of exploring all different directions of your head. Side to side. Very good. In 3, 2, and 1. Very good.